This might be our destiny. Think about it. AI has been compounding dramatically, and what if I told you this full-blown cinematic fight, human versus robot, was made using just 2 websites and 2 lines of text? No editing, no footage, not even a single image upload of an image. Today, I'm showing you how to make epic AI edits in minutes using only your keyboard. Way too easy, a baby wizard can do it. Step 1, head over to Leonardo.ai's new text-to-video tool. Yes, they now generate full AI videos from just a single sentence. A lone human soldier stares down a massive robot in a foggy battlefield, cinematic lighting, slow motion, 4K. Type your scene, hit generate, and boom! The video appears in seconds. No uploads, no tweaking. It does the magic for you. Next, to level it up, jump to Leonardo.ai's Kling 2.0 text-to-video model. This creates cinematic shots with dramatic movement, and it's just as easy. A lone human warrior in tactical gear faces off against a towering AI combat robot in a ruined city at dusk. Sparks fly as they clash hand-to-hand in brutal combat. The human dodges and counters while the robot swings with crushing force. In just a second or two, Kling gives you a full animated shot ready to drop into your story. Repeat this process for every beat of your story. Intro stare down in Leonardo, mid-fight chaos in Kling, dramatic finish back in Leonardo. Each one is made with 1 line of text, and when you stack them together, it feels like a real trailer. And the best part? It's all done without After Effects actors or editing. So now you know how to make a complete human versus AI short film using nothing but words. Hit like if your brain is melting, and subscribe for more weekly wizardry using AI. Wizard AI, where your words become worlds. And remember, it's only a matter of time when we become sentient.